So I welcome you all to UIS, and my name is Saurabh Pandey. Let's discuss about this important topic.
The Defense Ministry has imposed phased ban on the import of 928 military items to promote self-reliance in the defense manufacturing sector. The ministry announced fourth positive indigenization list in continuation of the first three such lists, which contained a total of 1,238 items. The first three lists were announced in December 2021, March 2022, and August 2022. The fresh list of 928 military items, including line replacement units, subsystems, and spares, which came under a phased import ban between December 2023 and December 2029. In a statement, the Ministry of Defense said that the 928 items in the fourth list, with an import substitution value of 715 crore rupees, will be procured from the Indian industry. It added that of the 1,238 earlier items, 310 have been indigenized so far. It covers items used in fighter planes, trainer aircraft, warships and different types of ammunition. The ministry said the defense PSUs will undertake indigenization of 928 listed items through different routes under make category and in-house development. Of 1,238, 310 items have been indigenized, with 262 items from the first positive indigenization list, 11 from the second one and 37 from the third list. The DPSUs will undertake indigenization of these items through different routes under the make category and in-house development through the capabilities of MSMEs and private Indian industry. Thereby providing impetus to the growth in the economy, enhanced investment in defense and reduction in import dependence of DPSUs. To promote Atmanirbharta, self-reliance, in defense and minimize imports by the DPSUs, the Defense Ministry has approved the fourth positive indigenization lists of 928 strategically important LRUs/subsystems/spares and components, including high-end materials and spares, with an import substitution value worth 715 crore. These items will only be procured from the Indian industry after the prescribed timelines. The latest list seeks to promote the local production of several parts of Sukhoi 30 and Jaguar fighter jets, Hindustan Turbo Trainer 40, HTT 40, planes, magazine firefighting systems on board warships, and gas turbine generators.
सो आई होप ये सेशन आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहा होगा।